Hello everybody, welcome aboard. Today I'm going to be making a Valentine video. It's the little envelope that has strawberry yam at the top. I'm sure you've seen them, it's all over the internet nowadays. But I mean, I got this strawberry jam. But I mean, the color, it didn't look like red. So what I did was, which probably other videos they've done that and they haven't said it, I put some food coloring, like about six drops of food coloring, and look what a beautiful red it came out to. So I think it's gonna be perfect. Now I also, I'm gonna make some with cream cheese. I'm gonna put cream cheese and then the yam over it, but not on all of them. I'm gonna put some of them cream cheese, other ones I'm not. So I'm not making the dough. I bought the dough. These are the puff pastry sheets. It brings 2 big sheets. And also I made a little mold. It's a 5 by 5. Okay, and that's my guide to cut the dough. So let's start here. These are, you have to take them out of the oven because they come frozen. The pastries come frozen. And this is what they look like. Okay, so I'm gonna put it directly here. So I'm gonna put the little square that I cut out. It's 5 by 5, and just to the edge. And just cut. So let's try oh, I also have to make a heart. So let's make a little heart with this set. We put it on there. So let me just fold this over and just make the envelope with this one here. I'm gonna use this side. So we're gonna put it like this, and let's make one with cream cheese and yam jam. So this is different. I haven't seen one with a cream cheese, so this is gonna be an original. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna get it with my hand and just flatten it out. Flatten it out and make it look like a sheet of paper. And try to put it in the middle. And now we're going to put the strawberry. We'll clean that out now. Yeah, make sure it doesn't drip. Now we're gonna fold it and put some more up here. Okay, so we're gonna make an egg wash. Let's put the egg wash. We're gonna put it especially here so it will stick. And here. And on the heart. There. And now we're going to everywhere. This is so it will give it a nice little golden color. I have this cutter, the cookie cutter, which I made tiny little hearts, and they came out so cute. And I'm gonna put them on there. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's at 375 for 15 minutes. Time 15. So here they are. They came out a little bit out of shape or a little bit over puffed, but I'm sure they taste good, and they didn't lose their shape that much. I still have the cream cheese on top, and these spilled over, but I mean, hey. So I noticed that they were like really puffy, and now they're settling down. So that's good. That's very good. So this is what they look like. I don't know what recipe they use in those other videos to do the dough. But that one that I used, it's fine. It's just, you know, it's just the first time making it. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope yours come out better. But at least I gave it a try. And remember, if you're going to make them, don't forget to put food coloring in the strawberry jam, because it'll make a difference in the color. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, may God bless you and keep you safe. Bye bye.